Hey, what's up guys? My name is Spencer from For the Low, and today I've got this Panasonic VCR to show you. The model number of it is PV-V4520. But before we get into it, quick fun fact. Did you know that some of the VHSs that you might have paid between $20 and $40 back in the day for are now selling for more like $500 up to $1,500 and maybe even more? Yeah, it's pretty crazy how much some of them are worth these days. But let's go ahead and get into this. On the rear panel here, you have your standard audio video input and output, both of which are hi-fi audio and forehead video. And the input is for recording and the output is for playback. And then you've also got your VHF antenna hookup, input and output right there. And then to hook it up, all you have to do is match up the colors on the rear panel with the output, not the input. So as long as everything is wired up correctly, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. And this is the original remote for it. It's got all of your basic functions and then some. You can turn on and off the display. You can adjust the audio. You've got your eject button on the remote. You can reset the counter if you need to. You've got a record button. And then it even has a light button so you can turn the light on the remote. And then on the front panel you've got your power button, your VCR TV button, channel buttons, the eject button / stop button, your record button, and then rewind, play, and fast forward. And then you can even do a super fast forward if you press stop. But that's pretty much all there is for this device. If you want to order one, you can get it on our online store or you can give us a call.